Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Tesla Autopilot works. Tesla's Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system that provides a suite of safety and convenience features. It is not a fully self-driving system, and the driver is always responsible for the vehicle. The system uses a combination of cameras, sensors, and powerful onboard computers. Tesla's approach primarily relies on 8 cameras that provide a 360-degree view around the car. These cameras, along with ultrasonic sensors and a forward-facing radar, detect and process information about the surrounding environment, including other vehicles, pedestrians, road markings, and obstacles. Autopilot features include traffic-aware cruise control, which adjusts the car's speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front, and auto steer, which keeps the car centered within its lane. For more advanced features like automatic lane changes, navigation on highways, and parking assistance, Tesla offers enhanced autopilot or full self-driving, supervised packages. These systems build on the core autopilot technology with more complex capabilities, but they still require the driver to remain attentive and ready to take control. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.